Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Saturday, June 19th. Happy Juneteenth and happy early Father's Day to the fathers out there. A lazy summer is good, but a productive summer is a little bit better. Yep, it's Maido in a box time. Let's see what's in volume 12. Alright, so let's see what's inside of box number 12, the last of season 1, if you will, because this means that we have now been doing a full year's worth of Maido in a box. So, let's see what we have. So, as always, I'll go ahead and scan the product information cards in and put a link in the description, as well as a link to Kinokuniya's own description of everything. So that's the deluxe card, and here's what's in your standard kit for volume 12. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a peek at what we have. Alright, so here are the free goodies for this month. We'll take a look at those first, of course. After that, here's what looks to be the deluxe kit. And, whoop, that apparently wanted to slide right off, and here's what's in the standard kit. Let me pick up the deluxe again, and we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's in our goodies for the month. Alright, so here are our 3 extra goodies for the month. Pretty simple. To start things off, we have a Versa color mini stamp pad. It's a turquoise color. We also have, from Zebra, a Sarasa SE 0.7mm black gel pen. And for our ink of the month, we're back to Pilot with another of their Iro Shizuko line. This month we have Aji Sai, which looks like kind of a light blue, semi-purple color. So, let me set these aside, and we'll see what's in the standard kit next. Alright, so here's everything that would come in the standard edition of Volume 12. First up, from Jumping Fox Design, we have an A5 dotted notebook, which looks like that. Comes in a nice box to, kind of protect it in shipping. Oh, I like that kind of silver accent on the pages there. But that is what it looks like. Okay, it does become dotted after a bit. I was going to say that didn't look very dotted. To go with your new Jumping Fox notebook from Lecturum, we have a pen holder, which it's too bad that this is a sticky adhesive because it doesn't look like this is reusable like what you'd get from, say, Traveler's Company, but it's a very nice blue. I like that blue a lot. Next up, because what is a productive summer without some writing instruments, from Kokuyo, we have a Colory mechanical pencil, 0.5mm, that looks like that. And it has a twist-out eraser, which twists out quite nicely. That's a very long eraser. So that should last you plenty. Following that, we have 3 pens from Uniball. These are some newly formulated kind of pigment ink pens. So we have 2 that are 0.38mm and 1.5. Those are the Uniball 1 gel pens. And then finally, from BGM, we have some flake sticker ice cream polar bear to kind of make you think cool thoughts, especially as it's going to be 90 this weekend. So, let me set this aside, and we'll take a look at the deluxe items next. Alright, here we have the deluxe items from Volume 12. First off, to go along with the polar bear stickers from BGM, we also have some clear stamp polar animals, which look like that, so you can, dress up your journal so your to-do list and everything isn't terribly boring. In addition, from Peter Pauper Press, we have some acrylic stamp blocks that are in various grid sizes. So if you have like a blank notebook or one that's regular lines or even dotted, you can add some grids to it in various sizes. Next up, from Zebra, we have some Kira Rich highlighters. And, whoa, let's not drop those and smash into the camera. But we have highlighters with glitter in them. So those are definitely fun. And then finally, from Midori, we have a 5-pocket clear folder in a very nice blue color there. Very nice. So, there you have it. That is everything in Volume 12, Productive Summer. Thanks as always for watching, and thanks for sticking around for a year's worth of these now. I will see you next month for Season 2. Thanks for watching.